They were two, one down at Old Trafford with less than 10 minutes to go. So Liverpool have to take some positives from Sunday's draw with Manchester United. After being so dominant, they had more control of that match at half-time than I've seen them have against anyone for a very long time. They could have felt sorry for themselves after falling behind. Instead, they showed fight and spirit to come back and leave with a point. Still, my overriding feeling was that it should have been more. A draw is certainly not the end of the world for Jurgen Klopp's side in the Premier League title race, but it feels like a big opportunity has been missed. The reality is that Liverpool had enough chances in the first half to win 2 or 3 games. And with the quality of the forward players they have got, you just don't expect them to miss that many. An amazing lack of defensive discipline stood out about Liverpool in the first half. Their desire was evident. Their running off the ball was incredible, and they showed how badly they wanted the win. It was a really front-foot attitude, sharp, full of energy, and everything you want from an away performance when you are trying to win the league. United struggled to cope with Liverpool's approach, lacking the same willingness without the ball. The first half saw Liverpool creating numerous chances due to overloads, with their players exploiting United's defensive vulnerabilities. United's lack of defensive discipline was glaring, allowing Liverpool to find themselves in advantageous situations repeatedly. Despite United hanging on, Liverpool's failure to capitalize on these opportunities left the game finely balanced. Liverpool had actually started the second half quite well before Jarell Quansah's mistake. The equaliser not only leveled the score but also injected belief into the United fans and players. United improved significantly, gaining confidence and energy. Kobbie Mainoo's exceptional goal further shifted the momentum in United's favour. Despite spaces still being available for Liverpool's attacks, United's improved performance and Mainoo's brilliance turned the game around completely. Liverpool needed to display resilience at this crucial moment, and they managed to do just that, showing character in the face of adversity at Old Trafford. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.